5 simple strategies for achieving your goals. 1. Set clear and specific goals. The first step towards achieving your goals is to set clear and specific goals. When setting goals, it is important to be specific about what you want to achieve, why it is important to you, and what steps you need to take to get there. The more specific and detailed your goals are, the easier it will be to create a plan and take action towards achieving them. 2. Break your goals into small, manageable steps. Once you have set your goals, it can be helpful to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make your goals feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Create a plan of action that outlines the specific steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Focus on one step at a time, and celebrate each small success along the way. 3. Stay accountable to yourself and others. Accountability is an important factor in achieving your goals. When you hold yourself accountable, you are more likely to stay motivated and focused on your goals. You can also enlist the help of friends, family, or a coach to help keep you accountable. Sharing your goals with others can help keep you motivated and on track. 4. Stay flexible and adjust your plan as needed. As you work towards your goals, it is important to stay flexible and adjust your plan as needed. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected obstacles can arise that may require you to shift your focus or adjust your plan. Be willing to adapt and make changes to your plan as needed, while still keeping your end goal in mind. 5. Celebrate your successes along the way. Finally, it is important to celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize and celebrate each small step towards your goal, as well as your larger achievements. Celebrating your successes will help you stay motivated and focused on your end goal.